everyone. I've been getting a lot of questions around the recent development in the criminal code of this country. So students are asking me whether that changes their syllabus. The answer is yes. Sadly, it not only changes the syllabus, it makes it a little more complicated. For example, I taught this case recently on 20th of January in my Hindu editorial analysis classes. I discussed Kerala hand chopping case. Now this case happened in 2010, back when IPC was applicable. So the entire case revolved around the sections of IPC only. But then there is a comparative analysis also, because the laws mentioned in IPC are now different than what they are in BNS. And you need to know both of them. Why? Because every newspaper, almost every newspaper, laid out a very detailed comparative analysis of both these laws, because it is a significant change. The entire criminal code is repealed and replaced with a new code. Every newspaper has reported the development and how this development affects the society. What is the development? What are the changes? How is it different from the old law? How is it different from the old procedure, evidences, crimes, etc.? And it makes it all the more important and relevant. So even if you did not have to study it before, you have to study it now. So IPC तो पढ़ना ही था, क्योंकि आपको basic तो पढ़ना ही है, because the Supreme Court judgments, all of them, if they are based on criminal code, would be based on IPC, CIPC and evidence. तो उनको पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि वो एग्जाम में पूछे ही जाएंगे, राइट? जजमेंट नहीं पूछा जाएगा, लेकिन जजमेंट में क्या लॉ है वो उन्हीं सेक्शंस के हिसाब से। प्लस आपको नया भी पढ़ना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि न्यूज़पेपर्स में कंपैरिजन दे रखा है। सो आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस पोजेस अ challenge before everyone, but I can definitely help you. We at BYJU'S exam prep have, we have devised our syllabus according to the new format. So we not only teach you based on what was there, but we also give you a comparison of what is existing now. And if you want to understand this as a sort of an example, you can watch my Hindu editorial class that was live on 20th January. It will give you a slight idea of how we are handling the old and the new laws. And if you need to understand how to enroll in the program, or you need to take, a mock session or something, you just need to click on the link given in the description box. Click that link, a Google form will appear. Fill that form, it will register you for a one-on-one counseling session. And that counselor will guide you as to how to enroll in a program or how to take a mock class, so that you can decide कि भाई मुझे कोर्स में एनरोल करना है या मुझे पढ़ने की जरूरत है, और कैसे पढ़ा रही है मैम, क्या चेंज आया है, राइट? सो वी आर केटरिंग टू एवरीथिंग दैट हैज हैपेंड. यू नीड टू मेक एन एफर्ट एंड take those classes. Okay, that is what makes you different. That is what would make you a rank holder. So make the decision wisely. Thank you so much.